To be able to add some security to our campus meetings, I wanted to show you how to require authentication within your meetings. So you could do this with a new meeting, but I'm going to show you how to do it with an existing meeting because I assume that many of you already have recurring meetings scheduled, so you just need to know how to go in and edit that so that you can require authentication. So I'm in my Zoom account, logged in, and I'm in my meetings tab. So I'm going to go find a meeting that I want to add authentication to, and I'm just going to click on it here to open it up. Note then I have to go down to the bottom and I have to click edit this meeting. Now, this is a recurring meeting, so I want to edit all in the series because I don't want to require authentication just for one meeting. I want to require it for all of them. So please click all. And then you're going to scan down to the bottom and you want to click this button that says only authenticated users can join. And note that it's already determined that that means University of Idaho credentials are required. So students have to log in with vandals.uidaho.edu or faculty have to log in with uidaho.edu to access this meeting. Okay? And then I'm just going to click save. So then let me go and show you what that's going to look like from the student side, right? Because we need to see what are the students going to see and how are they going to know what to do. So if I go here and try to enter that meeting as a student, it's going to pull up the allow screen for me. And then it tells me that I need to be authorized for this meeting. So I'm going to click sign in to join. And then instead of signing in over here, I'm going to click over here to sign in with SSO. Okay, and I'm going to enter UIdaho and click continue. And then it goes through your regular UIdaho login credentials that students are already used to. Okay, so this is what they are going to see. I have added instructions for them on the Zoom for Users student manuals to walk them through that. I also created a short video for them so that they would know how to go in and do this authentication. Okay, so hopefully this will help to keep our meetings more private and to keep people unwanted from entering our meetings, and I thank you for your time.